All right, guys, so we got a tractor up here. He says he can help me load this stuff. He's tearing down some more chain link fence right now, I think. Tearing down some more chain link, pulling it all out. We're gonna try to get this in my trailer so I can make a run to the scrapyard today. That would be great.
The destination is on your left.
We'll see what happens. 1060 Myrtle Lane.
Arrived.
Scrap metal. They got all kind of stuff. Look at there. Oh yeah. Okay, let me pull over right here. See what kind of goodness we got. Oh my God, look at that. Holy smoke. That's a mess right there.
That is a mess.
That is a big mess.
Is it worth fooling with?
Of course it is. If we can get it in the truck.
I'll try my damnedest.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Nice tractor.
I'll do my damn thing.
Nice tractor.
She's old, but she gets it done.
I need one done. I need one like this. Mine's about a quarter of this size.
Yeah.
It's got a bucket on it like that.
Yeah.
But it won't lift about 250, maybe 300 pounds if I got it cranked up good.
Yeah.
So,
This is pretty stout for what it is.
oh, stout.
Like 38 horsepower.
That is a bulk of it. A bulk.
Yeah.
Getting it into the trailers would be the biggest thing.
Yeah. Yeah, if I can get it in there.
Yeah, I think we probably can. I'll figure it out. I'll have to. Let's see. I was gonna get the hot water heater, but I think maybe I can get this and throw the hot water heater on top.
Yep, he'll hold it down.
Hold it down, strap it all in.
And I'll yell at my neighbor because I thought maybe he'd be up already. He's got a refrigerator laying back in his pickup.
Oh, really?
It's been laying there for 2 weeks, so I know it can't be no good.
No.
I'm like,
I seen something on the trailer back there too, a big old refrigerator-like looking thing. I've never been on Myrtle Lane ever. It's my first time.
what's your name?
Drew.
Drew? Oh,
Drew.
hey. Joe Hill.
Joe Hill?
You're the roofing guy.
Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah. Roofing and scrapping.
That's all right.
We got a mess here. Wow. That is a mess. Let's see if we can pull it out and get it in. That's a lot of stuff. Tore down the fence. Got him a nice place. I think we'll put this stuff in, and then we're going to put this piece right here on top of that whole thing, and that'll hold everything down. We'll strap it.
It's just panels.
Huh?
I said a lot of it's panels.
Yeah. Yeah.
After I get this big ball of
Yep.
mess up.
I agree.
Filthy.
Yeah. Four. What's the big number?
27.5.
Oh my God!
On a double lock.
You stole it.
I know it.
Oh my God! With a metal roof on it.
Yeah. A good looking metal roof.
Oh my God!
Hurricane messed the roof up.
Man, that's what I need right there. Something like that, man. I'd be all day on that.
About 6 or 7 years ago.
Yeah.
And she didn't know any better.
27.5. All right, let's see how we do. Come on, baby, you can do it. Come on, baby, you can do it. You're a rigger, aren't you? You're a rigger.
Is that a lot of trusses?
I can tell it. Oh yeah, baby. That's the way to do it. Right there. Hell yeah. You can push it with the tractor, maybe get it down a little bit.
Yeah.
Back up, get that pole under it. Hell yeah. That's good. I'll drag it with you.
Okay.
Stand that pole right up, maybe.
Yeah, maybe. Hung from
Yep, yep. Throw it in. Sweet. What I'm talking about. Look at there. Like you say, we're in this together.
Let me go test this tap right there. Can you get that fridge on there?
Fridge. Yeah. With your tractor.
Yeah, no problem.
Loading up goodness. Imagine I'll get downgraded for all the wood. Other than that, here's what it is. Got some concrete, got some posts. Here we go. He's going next door to see if he can get a refrigerator for me. I think I got a couple things here, a hot water heater, maybe a couple other things. Put this on top of everything. And then put the fridge on top of that, maybe. Looks like he decided to give me the refrigerator. So with his help and that tractor, we'll load that thing in here. We'll put these in the bucket. When he gets back, throw these in the bucket, throw it right on top. Hey-ya. Concrete. If I had a sledgehammer, I'd break it off of there, to be honest with you. I don't have one. All right, so we got the panels left, the hot water heater, and a refrigerator. That should top off my load. I'll go ahead and bring that in today, this morning. I think I have 2 more pickups after this, so I need an empty trailer. This isn't a whole lot, and they're not gonna give me much for it, and I'm gonna go with it just like it is, but it is what it is. I'm gonna take it. It won't have much weight on there, that's for sure.
For about a week.
Oh, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
It's not ma'am, it's just Vina.
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 I'm just the way my daddy brought me up.
Yeah.
I understand.
Me too.
I understand.
People don't raise kids anymore.
Man.
They just ignore them.
My dad would kick my ass if I didn't say yes ma'am, yes sir.
I know.
Wish you could get some of that off.
Get some of that off.
Some of it. Oops, excuse me. What was that name again?
Vina.
Vina. I was gonna say Vera, but Vina works.
Vina.
Vienna sausage, Vina. Not Vienna, but Vina.
Well, I like to think of it as Venus, the goddess.
Venus.
Of
Oh
love.
yes, there you go. There you go. I like that better.
See?
Goddess of love.
Let's go get your fridge.
Let's get that.
Good
Let's.
color.
I say we get it.
Yeah.
Get the fridge. All right, we got a refrigerator on there. Got a low tire or 2. Yeah, baby, right in the back. I don't think it's more than 7 feet tall. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at you, man. Look at you. Yeah, baby. That was nice. Oh, look at that.
Take the bucket.
Oh, we got it. We got it.
All right, cool.
That hot water heater go right in front of it.
Yeah. So did the guy out the road get in touch with you, Brian?
No,
The guy right out the road named Brian Vitito?
he didn't. Not that I know of. What do you
I
have?
think he's trying to. He said he needs a scrap man
Heck yeah.
today, and we were trying to line y'all up.
Line me up. I'll bring this up and go to his house next. I got 4 today, so that'll make 4 if I get him.
Yeah.
I'll go get his and 2 others. Well, according to how much he has. Hot water heater. Yeah, either right here to the side.
Yeah.
Right there.
I'm gonna back out and let me load it for the truck.
That's what I'm thinking. Yeah. I'm gonna back out and pull straight, and you can go in there and load it. We'll dump it right here.
Get a hold of Brian. He got it loaded out here. He got it ready for him today. I guess not. All right, Venus out here, so come on out with me. All right, good deal. Right. Yeah, Brian's gonna get a hold of you.
Okay.
Cool. Yeah, if you want to back out.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
I'll
Back
pull
out
in
right
there,
here, then
throw it
I'll
in the
pull up.
bucket.
You throw it in the bucket, and dump it right in the side. Nice. Easy money. And put that right in the side. Cover it over with them. Strap it down. Beautiful. Oh yeah. Goodness. Thank you. Yeah, buddy. I'll take it. Goodness everywhere. Show me the goodness. Oop, put this back in there before I loose them. You just have to keep it flat so it don't tip. I had mine, that's how I broke my front.
Push hogging.
Oh, really? What hit it?
I ate a tree.
Oh yeah.
I should have backed up.
Okay, can he keep it level? Yeah, he's doing it. Oh yeah, baby. A few other nuggets I could get off of it. We'll see if I do or I don't. Oh yeah. That go right behind that refrigerator. You can go that way.
Yes, sir.
Hell yeah. Yes, sir. Push it up. Beautiful. Oh, oh, get under it. All right. Give me a second. Can't quite pick it up. I think I'll turn it sideways or something. I can't pick it up.
Hello?
It's heavier than me.
Hey. Yeah. Oh. Oh, gotcha. All right. I will. All right. I'll catch you later. Oh, okay. Do you do any kind of hauling? Like, do you haul up other stuff? Like, do you haul?
Trash? I mean, I charge for it, that's all.
Yeah, he charges for it, but yeah, he'll do it.
I don't pick it up though. I can't load it.
He can't load it, and
I can haul it.
he can
I
haul
cannot
but
load
he
it.
can't load it. It's got a bad back. That's why we're helping him load. it's a 4x6 size area, 4 foot wide, 6 foot long, and it would fill your trailer up.
So it costs whatever the dump fee is, and $100 for my truck and me.
The dump fee, and then $100 for the truck and him, and if it's 2 tons, it would be, I think it's $65 a ton.
I don't even know what it is now.
I believe it's $65 a ton. It'd run him a couple $100.
At the most.
Yep. Okay. All right. Back.
Yeah, probably right in the side there. Yo, yeah, look at you. Yeah, we'll stand it up right next to it and flip it right on top of all of that. Hopefully, maybe front of the refrigerator is what I'm hoping for.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Look at that. That's where I want it right there.
Let's flip this over and get the shit off.
Bricks and everything out. Oh, look at you. Yeah, there we go. Yep. Look at you.
Now, if you'll back out, I'll move that Equinox.
Yeah.
If you'll back out, I got some stuff, more panels you can pile on top of that.
I'm backing up then. You just back up. Where's that truck? How far? Her car?
Yeah, stop about where her car is.
Okay.
I'm gonna pull her in here.
Okay, good. Oh yeah, we can get that on there. Yeah, I don't see why not. Yeah, buddy. Huh. Beautiful. That's what I'm talking about. Oh yeah, beautifulness. Definitely gonna have to, whew, that's gonna be a bear.
Yes.
Yeah, bear. Especially since we got it so high.
I know it. I want to skip this, I don't like it.
Not that I want to skip it, just don't know how we're gonna get it in there.
Let me think for a minute.
Let me see, maybe. I mean, let's pull,
Hold on a minute.
let's say we pull that on top.
Pull that on top of it?
Yeah. Pull that right on top of it and pick up just a square. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And we'll go,
Yeah.
oh, well that side has more room, but I think either side we can get it.
Ain't that bad.
No, I don't want to skip it. If we put this side up first, the one with your left hand in, like that. Oh, my fault. Just like that, anyway. Push it straight up. Oh man, that was beautiful.
That wasn't that bad.
No. Over top. Whew. I'll have to get up there and pull it across. I'll pull it across a little bit. Beautifulness. Goodness everywhere. Oh yeah, baby. Look at you. Come on to daddy. Oh yeah, that's good, man. That is like fine wine.
Yes, sir.
All right,
right.
strap her down.
I feel like I've done something.
You did something, son. You did something. Man, I appreciate you, brother.
Brian be in touch with him. He just lives about 3 houses out the road on the
Okay.
left. It's a pretty good looking double wide with a metal roof on it.
I've seen it.
Damn, that's a cool little barrel.
Yeah, I got that scrapping.
That's a keeper right there.
I kept that. I put my #1 copper in it, turn in every time.
Oh, that's cool.
I just turned my #1 in yesterday.
76 can, man.
Ain't that something? That is something right there. Hey, watch your head.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yep. That's gonna go right in that middle.
All right. Just down in the pocket hole.
If it will. If it won't, just hook it.
I did. I got it hooked just tight.
You know what? It won't go down through, will it? Throw it back over.
Clear?
Yeah. Thank you. And I'm gonna throw it back, but I'm gonna do it different. I'm gonna put the lock on your side.
All right, clear.
Yep, hold on. I'm gonna run the cord through first so that I don't have to worry about it unhooking. I can't unhook that way. There we go. Much better. Oh yeah. Coming to you. Straight to that middle one. Beautiful.
You good?
Yep. Heck yeah, I'll be able to run this to the scrapyard and come back and get me another load today. I got a couple more places to pick up. So, like I said, I subcontract all my roofing out, so.
Yeah.
I mean, I can't get out there in that heat anymore.
I ain't either. Yeah, blow me out.
Yeah, too many years of that already.
We need to make a move for our last year. That's why I need to make a
that
mailbox money. It's like, just mail me your rent. I'm good. Thanks.
I love it.
Mailbox money.
Yeah, me too. I bought a rental. I got so blessed, dude. I bought a double wide on an 80 by 200 lot.
Yeah.
The guy missed out on his last 3 payments, right? He didn't pay.
Yeah.
So his landlord showed up at my house asking about him. I said, he didn't tell you he moved to Virginia? He's like, no, he didn't tell me. I said, well, just before he left, he asked me if I wanted to buy this house. He said, asked you if you wanted to buy the house. He said, what are you talking about? I said, well, he asked me if I wanted to take over payments. That he wasn't getting it through a bank. He was a personal guy. If you're that guy and you want to get rid of him, I'll make them back 3 payments. Just take over payments. He was like, all right, well, let me see if I can get up to Cleveland. He got up to Cleveland. Cleveland said, yeah, I'm out. If he'll do it, he said, I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll sign the paperwork over to him. Because he had it in his name, you know, sign it for the buyer. So Cleveland said, I want 10 grand. If he sends me 10 grand, I'll sign it right over to him. First thing I had to do, of course I went and got a lawyer, first thing I had to do is go up to Bolivia, see if he had any back things, he owed anybody any money. And he owed $6,000 on a credit card and $1,000 to a guy in Oak Island. So I paid $7,000, gave him $3,000, he signed a piece of paper. And he only owed 30 grand on it.
Oh, man. You did good.
You kidding me?
Especially
So
on that big lot.
80 by 200, double wide, tore up on the inside. It cost me $10,000 to redo it. I put new cabinets, new countertops, new fucking everything, new flooring. I mean,
That's what
fixed
I'm
all
doing
the
here.
walls.
I've already fixed all the walls. Ceilings are great.
And 10 grand, so I had 50 in it at that point. Well, I rented that thing out as soon as I got it done. It's already paid for itself, and I've got 11 grand in the bank. I owe him 9 right now. So 9, 10, 11, that leaves me 2,000 in there, but I'm not gonna pay it off. I'm gonna pay it off as soon as I get enough to get him paid off and make sure that I have like 8 grand in the account, so in case an air conditioner.
I keep a buffer. Yeah.
Gotta have a
My
buffer.
water heater dies.
I don't care what it is. I won't be able to call somebody and say, fix it.
Fix it. Yeah.
Because hey, listen, I rent it out for $1,400 a month.
Good.
Wine and Coffee, Ron, he's the rental manager.
Okay.
He does rental management.
Okay.
He's the best. He gets 140 out of 1,400.
I know, Ron.
If you want to rent something out, do it through a realtor. It's worth it. You don't have to mess with nobody.
I forgot that he's a realtor.
Dude, the check's there
Yeah.
when it's supposed to be.
Yeah.
You never have to go see the people. This house is right across the street from my house. I've only seen them a couple times.
I'd still let him handle it. Yeah, you're right.
3 years, dude. They've been in that place. Signed a 3-year lease. Got $1,400 a month. Kidding me?
That's mailbox money.
Yes. I mean, Ron is the guy. If you want to rent something, do it through him. Pay that little bit extra money. It's worth it.
Develop us a grocery store in here at one time.
We're blessed. So, and it happened right at the perfect time because I was getting to where I couldn't work much anymore. Having a hard time with my peripheral arterial. I had a heart attack.
Yeah.
Then I had cancer.
Oh boy.
5 operations on my leg, peripheral arterial disease. I got a torn rotator, had rotator surgery. I'm not a roofer anymore, you hear me?
I I know. The roofing took a toll on you there.
Oops, I went backwards. And yeah, it kind of ruined me. So, and I did it for so long. So I don't know how these guys do it today. I don't know how we did it. It was the same temperature. It wasn't like it's any different. Well, I guess I see how we did it, but what it did to us is the problem.
Yeah. Didn't think about it.
No, man, money. We were out there 110 degrees, 120 up on that damn roof.
Building gable ends, laying on the ground.
Oh yeah,
boxing up,
oh yeah. Oh, I've been there. I used to work for Guy Auger
Yeah, okay.
when I was 15.
Yeah.
He was married to my sister.
Okay.
He came from Maine. We brought him in from Maine. All right, everybody, scrapping with Grandpa. It is Saturday. We made it to the scrap yard. They close at 12. It's 10:14. I'm gonna unstrap this thing, run back there, dump it out, see what it weighed, see what it paid. I got a lot of trash in this, so I'm just not sure what they're gonna do with it. Let's go check it out. See you in a minute. Let's run across the scale. So this load took us an hour and 15 minutes. We did it with a tractor. It's not huge. 11,600 pounds. 20. The claw. Oh yeah, sweep it off of there. Look at there. That's what I'm talking about. Yes, sir. Get that thing loose. Oh, sweetness. Done. Quick and easy. Quick and easy. Yes, you just take it easy. That's what I said, Grandpa. Take it easy. You're good. You're good. Relax. Didn't have my camera running, but a lady just recognized me here at Scrubbing with Grandpa. Said she always gives it her thumbs up. I'm gonna make sure she's got a sticker. I love it when people recognize me at the scrapyard from my YouTube videos.
I've been watching you.
Thank you. Thank you.
I love
it.
your channel.
Yeah,
and
so
I
much
learned a
fun.
lot from it too.
Thank you.
Yeah, how
Thank
to
you.
break things down and
Yes,
stuff.
absolutely. Make more money.
Make more money.
How these guys pay you.
Yeah,
Keep a couple of
thank
them.
you.
Up to the
Okay.
family.
Awesome.
Morning, guys.
Morning.
Beautiful day.
It is.
Beautiful day. Yeah, so thank you for watching. I really appreciate it.
I
Okay.
couldn't wait to meet you. I said, I'm
That's
going to meet
great.
him. I told them about the one downtown, because that's the one I usually go to.
Right.
And I said, have y'all seen Grandpa yet? And they're like, he comes from time to time.
That's funny. Yeah. Oh, that's funny. I love it.
Funny.
That's good. Well, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. How you doing, buddy?
Good, man. How are you?
Not bad. Yeah. I enjoy it. You know,
I
it's
enjoy
fun.
it. Yeah.
It's fun. So what are you breaking down? Like anything you can find?
Anything I can find.
You go on Marketplace and say, I'll pick up your scrap metal and stuff like that. I mean, that's what I do.
Sometimes, not that
I mean,
much.
these,
though.
you know
I
what?
just
You know,
ride around.
I take these things and I put them on the trash can on trash day. You can't believe the calls that I get. Oh, I seen your sticker on my trash can.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. What's
Nice
your name
to meet
again?
you. Lisa.
Lisa. Make a comment so I can know who you are.
Okay.
Thank you, Lisa. Thank you. How you doing today, buddy?
Good, man. How are you?
Beautiful day.
Yep. I didn't know you had groupies.
Yeah, man, all over the place, brother. They're everywhere. Shoot, I probably met 10 people here, from here, that watched my video. Don't worry about Grandpa, he's just chilling. He's just chilling. All right, Saturday morning, 10:45 a.m. Took me an hour and 15 minutes to load that. I got there about 8:30-ish. It is actually 10:45, so it's dropped off. I made my $91. I'm headed back someplace else to pick something else up. So what's next? What's next? What's next? Scrub with Grandpa. I'm going back to work, but I'll put that on another video.